Let's explore Coralogix Service Catalog. From this view, we can immediately see all of our services and their key metrics. At the top right, we have our comparison feature, and this shows us our percentage changes across all of our metrics against historical data. And those metrics are things like incoming request, error rates, P95 latency, and SLO status. We can customize this view by adding dimensions. We have some filters here already for subsystem pod and node. We can add a dimension. I could add one for application here. And what this is doing is taking the tags from our spans, and it's a good way of further slicing our data by different environments or components. Now let's investigate some issues. I'm going to sort by the top error, and that is on the front end, and we have an SLO status of breached. Let's click into this and investigate. This brings us to our front end overview. As you can see, we've got a lot of rich visualization here of our key characteristics, our metrics. We have things like request patterns over time. We have the top 5 errors by operation. We have AppDex score. Notice here how I can change this to be by version. And this is very powerful for things like an AppDex score because we are tracking our performance across our deployments. We also have things like operations, API errors, SLO, resources, logs, and maps. We'll go into SLO for now, and we'll investigate that one that was breached. Here I can sort by the longest taking duration. I can go in and investigate this. This brings us into our Gantt chart view. So this Gantt chart is showing us the complete request journey. Each bar represents an operation with duration and timing clearly visible. We can switch to dependency view, and here we can see how our requests interacted with our services. What's even more powerful, we can drill into pod details. So we've got this rich metadata on the right-hand side. We can go into the actual resource, the pod that was running this request or service. So here again, we've got instantly rich visualization of those key characteristics and metrics of our pod, things like CPU utilization, memory, network in and out. We can look at related events, related logs. So this correlation is giving us the full context. We're moving from a very high-level service health to detailed transactional analysis, making both troubleshooting faster and more thorough. So yes, the service catalog combines broad visibility with deep analytical capabilities. Whether you're tracking service health, investigating issues, or analyzing deployment impact, everything you need is just a few clicks away.